folks. Hey everyone, this is once again this is Erica Lifestyle here, and here we go again. Today it's another vlog, another video. It's another day for reviewing this special kind of apparatus for our hair, and it's guess what's in my hand. It's what we call the Supersonic hair dryer Dyson. No, it's supersonic. So yeah, it's Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. So what's in my hand? It's the very trending hair dryer, Dyson hair dryer, Supersonic hair dryer. So yeah, and this is very useful, for us women or men out there, to dry our hair, and after that it's gonna giving shade to your hair just like I did mine, and also it makes your hair shiny and lightweight. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you about the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. So yeah, this is very trending once again. So the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, it is engineered to protect hair from extreme heat damage. Sounds great. And also with fast drying controlled styling to help increase smoothness by 75%, increase shine up to 132%, and decrease freeze and flyaways by up to 61%. How cool is that, guys? So this Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, it has this is the stand. It looks like a microphone stand for me, but it's pretty cool. It's not that heavy. It's made of metallic, and it has Dyson in it. There you go. So you all have to do is just put right here. It's magnetic. See? How cool, right? So you just stick in there and it's boom. And then it has different kind of, you can pull it out, and there's there's a brush right there. There you go. And it's also magnetic one as well. See? How cool. And then it has also this one like that, so that it won't make noise. Just pull it out also, so right there, and voila. And then here's another one. So it has three. You can change it, that, and there you go. This is really cool. So I think this is when you wanna curl your hair. I think it's pretty cool. I super love it. Dyson products. So it has three different kind of where you can stick in there. This is the brush. Do like that, and then just put it there. Yeah, and this is the plug right there. See this one? This is the bottom for turning on and off. Okay, and see, it's so it is right there at the back to stay away from the children, and it's pretty cool stuff. Interesting. And then I just love this one. So pretty cool, huh? So this is also um, makes your healthier hair. You know, this is also good for whenever you have like, you know, a gift for a friend, because this is very trendy hair dryer. So yeah, so I think you guys should grab yours because it's really. And way back 2023, the Dyson hair dryer, Supersonic hair dryer, was a winner of Allure Best Beauty Award 2023. How cool! So they have different color. They have like blue. This one is black. It has hot pink on here. They have also different kind, like something royal blue here, and they have like rose gold up here. So they have different kind of varieties of colors as well. And you know, whatever your preferences for a color for a Dyson, you can just, you know, choose whatever you want. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and that's it. And as I love my Dyson hair dryer, it's cost like 239 something bucks, 200 US dollar. Okay, so yeah, if you guys are interested, you can just place your order and yeah, grab a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. So once again, this has been your Erica lifestyle, and thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next vlog. Saying to you, take care and stay safe. Bye.